Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying the essentials so permission changes will stick. Check that your microphone is plugged in and produces sound. This avoids chasing settings when hardware is faulty. Next, open your operating system's privacy settings and make sure microphone access is allowed for the browser or app you plan to use, because apps need that explicit grant. Once done, confirm you're signed into an account with permission to change settings or get an admin to. Now you'll grant the permission where voice typing runs. In your browser or app, find privacy or site settings and locate microphone or voice typing permission. It's often nested under site permissions. Choose Allow and pick the correct input device when prompted, especially if you have a headset and built-in mic. Make sure to restart the app or browser so the new permission tokens take effect, because many programs only recheck permissions during launch. Finish by testing voice typing in the exact app or web page you'll use. Dictate a sentence and watch for input. If it still reports no permission, clear site permissions or reset app permissions and repeat the allow step, since stale tokens can block access. If problems persist, update audio drivers and the operating system and confirm admin rights. These fixes resolve deeper conflicts. One quick tip: try a different browser or private window to isolate cache.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.